Redmon!
A van covered in flyers.
Why is it so windy? I can't see anything!
We arrived at Nick's Easy Clean Repair Shop safely. I should remove all the flyers first. Let's move to the car wash station. The vehicle size is medium. The pollution level is severe. The pollutant is okay, I'll spray water. Swoosh! Swoosh! I'll remove the flyers. Hi! Hi! Eat! Hi! Hoi! It needs to be soaked for longer. Eat! Hi! Eat! I'll put some soap. And rinse. Swoosh. Swoosh. I should scrape them off. Cleaning off the rest. I'll lather you up again. And rinse. Swoosh. Swoosh. Shall I dry you off now? Done! Let's move to the repair shop. I'll straighten out the dented parts. I'll replace all the broken lights with new ones. Oh no! I should pump some air into the wheels. Swoosh! Swoosh! Lastly, time to add some shine. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Phew! Okay, you're all done.
Wow! Thank you so much! I feel like a brand new vehicle!
Yes, It'll be better for you to rest in the garage since it's very windy today.
Yes, I'll do that. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!
Click here to subscribe. Press like.